Summary and Analysis of Followers and Friends by Francis Bacon. The custom of maintaining an increasingly large army of followers and friends retinue observed by noblemen is proving ruinous to them. It had almost outlived its utility in Bacon's age. Its object was ostensibly to make a show of one's influence at court. It is certainly true to cut down one's retinue so that the money thus released may be devoted to more useful objects. Why should followers be avoided in the present day conditions? Because it is 1. Expensive to maintain. 2. It makes increasingly heavy demands on the patron's purse. 3. It hampers his independent movement just as the peacock's tail hampers its flight. 4. These dependents are very importunate in their requests and suits, so such costly followers should be avoided. Ordinary followers, unless they are satisfied with their countenance or goodwill, recommendation, or protection from wrongs, which are all legitimate claims, should also be avoided. Factious followers should be discarded as they invariably show disaffection, discontent, and disgruntlement. Rich noblemen often fall out owing mainly to some quarrel between their followers. Boastful followers spoil business negotiations through want of secrecy. They take away their patron's good name in giving him a false one and put unpopularity in its place, leading to dishonor, and also promote envy. Braggarts who go about singing their master's praises should certainly be avoided. They ruin projects by divulging them before the interested people. Tale-bearing followers who carry favor of their patrons by the cringing and obliging attitude are dangerous. What kinds of followers may be employed? 1. Those who belong to the same profession as their patrons. 2. When there is not much difference between one man and another in respect of ability, it is better to give employment to the more commonplace than the more able man. 3. Those who are most serviceable and more active. General Principles. 1. Men of equal rank claim equal treatment as a right. This principle should be borne in mind while giving promotions. 2. While giving things which are matters of indulgence and favor, we should do well to emphasize the differences made. 3. At the very beginning, one should not make too much of men, nor should one be well advised to reward too highly. This cannot last long, for time may come when the men employed may have to be taken to task for some defect or other. They will then take it ill if they are systematically pampered from beginning. 4. One should also avoid being governed by the dictation of one's followers and dragged by their conflicting opinions into unseemly controversies. The best plan will be to have a few dependable and trustworthy friends, as true friendship is rare, especially between equals. Friendship between a superior and inferior is safer, since the latter's fortunes are included in those of the former.